Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the Boxy charm unboxing. It feels like I did my Boxy Luxe unboxing yesterday because I got it so late in December. I actually got this box about a week ago, but I just haven't had time to film it, and now I have time to actually sit down and film a video, so we are going to do the unboxing. So my box is right here and I'm really excited. So it's just a standard box. It's cute, looks like it always does. I'm going to open it. So inside, January 2019's box looks like this. So this is the alteration that I received. So the inside, it says Boxy and chill. So it's like a little kind of pastel card, and it gives you all of the things that we got in this month's box. So the first thing I see is Bite. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I got a Bite product in my FabFitFun of December. So if it is the same color, then I'm going to give it away. But let's see. So this is Bite Beauty and it retails for $26, and it is a Muse. That's the color, I think. It's just a standard gray little bullet, and it says Bite on it, and the color is bright pink, so I'm giving this away. It is Barbie pink, and I hate that color. That's horrible. So that is retails for $26, and I will not be putting that on my face. So the next thing that I see in this month's box is Don't Despair Repair. So this is Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So it is a hair mask, I believe, and it retails for $16. So this is a super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner. So it's a leave-in conditioner. This is a travel size product, so it is not full size. This is 2 ounces, 2 fluid ounces. It's just like a leave-in conditioner, so I can't really demo it. I have a wig on and I usually wear wigs, but I will try it out and I will let you guys know in a future video if I liked it. So let's see what it smells like though. Oh, it's really citrusy. Yeah, that smells like oranges. So it smells really nice. I'm excited to see if I like it. We'll put that to the side. The next thing that I see in the box is Starlux. So this is an eyebrow pen, I believe. Long wear eye pencil. No, this is an eyeliner. What color is it? All right, so I finally got the paper off, the plastic off. So this is Starlux Aurora Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil. What the fuck? It's like pink. Literally pink and sparkly. All right, I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm gonna give it away. So this is retails for $19 for a sparkle pink eyeliner. That's not even gonna show up underneath my eyes. Okay, pass. I'm gonna give that away. The next thing that I see in the box is more Tarte Luminous Dewy skin masks. So they look like this. We've gotten these before, or a brand similar to these before, I believe, and we get 2 of them and they retail for $24. So I like getting masks just because I have really dry skin, so I'm really excited to try these out. I'll let you guys know in a future video how I liked this one, because I don't know if we've ever gotten this one before or if we got a different one, but I love masks, so I'll definitely try it out. And 24 bucks, I hope it is good. So far the masks and so far I've liked the masks. So the last thing that I see in the box this month is a Tarte palette. So this is limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume number 3. So I'm going to open it, but I already have a feeling I'm going to give it away. I don't have anything against Tarte as a company. I just don't think Tarte is a very exciting company. I think they release extremely boring colors, and it's not for me. I don't like nudes, and that's all they seem to release. So I'm not really into Tarte, but I know a lot of people do like Tarte, and I know that the quality of Tarte is really great. So the packaging is completely adorable. It is little peacock feathers or scales, I'm not too sure. It's Rainforest of the Sea, so I'm assuming these are supposed to be like fish scales. I think it's really pretty. The packaging is really adorable, The back of it is gold and the front of it is that shiny kind of scale color. And the inside of the palette, so this is the inside of the palette. So it is an extremely, extremely boring fucking palette. It's literally all shimmers, so it is a highlight eyeshadow palette. There's no fucking way that this is an eyeshadow palette. These are literally, there is one matte that looks like it's been swatched, which everybody is complaining about. They're saying that it is a packaging issue. So there is one color that looks like it's been swatched already, that is the only matte, and the rest of them are shimmers. So unless you're wanting to get this palette as like a highlight palette, then it is definitely not something that I would use or purchase ever. So I'm going to give it away. So this retails for $36, and that's $36 I would never spend. This is why I don't purchase Tarte. I have the Pro Glow palette because I got it in a subscription box. I think it was my very first BoxyCharm, or my very first FabFitFun I got it in, and I've never purchased any Tarte products before besides their eyeliner, and again I got that in a subscription box. So I've never actually purchased anything from Tarte. I just don't think that Tarte is an very exciting brand, and they're just not for me. So I'm going to give it away. So far the only things that I liked in this month's box were the masks. So I like the fact that we got a hair mask, and I like the fact that we got a face mask because I have really dry skin. But this lip shade for me personally is horrible. I will never wear pink lipstick. That's not me. The eyeliner is something I would give to a child. I would never put that underneath my eyes. If you do, no hate against you. I just don't like pink sparkly liner. It's just not for me. And then this palette, well, it's a highlight palette. So they did send out really good brands. So I know that Tarte is a really big brand. Bite's a pretty good brand. And these masks are really awesome. The Tatcha is a pretty big brand. And the Borrogio, however you say it, is a pretty big brand. The only one that I don't know of is Starlux, which is that eyeliner. So BoxyCharm did send out some really big brands this month. So that's really exciting. It's really cool that they are trying different brands. We're not just getting the exact same thing over and over and over, because everybody is starting to get really tired of pure palettes and just palettes like that. But as for this month in general, I would say that this is a really, really disappointing month for me. I'm only keeping the masks, so it wasn't worth it for me personally. It's still worth it in the sense of I only paid $38 or $36, and the two products that I got are probably more than $36, so it's worth it in that sense. But in the sense of the actual makeup products, there isn't a single makeup product this month that I'm keeping. So it was not worth it this month. So unfortunately, this is not a very good start to the year for me and BoxyCharm. I'm hoping next month is better, and then their Boxy Luxe for March I'm hoping is better. BoxyCharm, please listen to the customers that are subscribed to your subscription box. We are tired, sick and tired of getting the same goddamn eyeshadows. They are all the same color. They're all this kind of cranberry shade, or they're nudes. Send us colors, please, for the love of God. If you guys are afraid to send colors because some customers complain, you have just as many people complaining that we're only getting the same colors or we're only getting nude palettes. I don't need another nude palette. I already know that the Boxy Luxe in March, you guys are sending Morphe palettes, and those are the same shades. You guys are sending us cranberry shades again.
What the fuck?
So that's again a palette that I'm probably going to give away, because I don't need 10,000 palettes that are all the same shades. The whole point of a makeup subscription is to try different things, to get a bunch of different makeup from different brands, of different colors, of different things, just to try out makeup. It's so fucking pointless if I'm just getting the same goddamn eyeshadows over and over and over, the same colors. I don't need this many palettes. It's ridiculous. But that's just my rant of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. I'm going to quickly go find my phone and total up this month's box for you guys so you guys can see the total of this month and you guys can see if it was worth it or not. So the total of this month's box is $121. So for 36, you guys are getting $121, so that's really great. Well, it'll be 21 if you live in the States, and everywhere else that BoxyCharm ships to, it's whatever your money is. That is changed to USD plus shipping. So for Canada, it's about $36 a month. So 36, I'm getting a value of $121 for $36. So it's still worth it even if you don't like a single thing in your box in the month. So I mean, you can't complain that much, but I'm still very disappointed with this month's box. I think they kind of shit the bed for me in particular. I don't like nudes, and I certainly don't like bright pink lipstick or bright pink eyeliner that has sparkle to it. I'm not even gonna swatch these because I'm just gonna give them away. I'll give them to somebody else, I'll give them to a friend, I'll do a giveaway. If anybody's interested in entering that giveaway, like, whatever. These are just shades that won't work for me in particular. They may look really, really great on someone else's skin tone or skin type or personality. I'm not a pink person, and I don't like nudes, so it's just not for me. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!